Here, the question has been given in that way, and the question says the diagram shows four straight lines meeting at a point. That means these four straight lines will meet at a point. Work out the value of x. So how can you solve? Here, since all angles will meet at a point, that means, or we can say all straight lines meeting at a point, that means sum of these four angles must be 360 degree. So
360 degrees.
x degree plus 40 degree plus this angle will be 90 degree. 90 degree plus 120 degree will make 360 degree. Then we can say x plus 40 plus 90, 130 plus 120, that is 250 degree equal to 360. Then the value of x will be 360 minus 250, that will be 110 degree. Here we need to give a side note, that is we can say angles at a point. Okay, this is the solution of this problem.